I want to show you guys how to host a static website to on GitHub. So for example, maybe you just want to demonstrate a dummy website you created for someone, a static website, maybe just for his business, and you don't have like a host name yet, or you don't just want to pay for hosting or domain name for now. I just want to show you a sharp way of how to go about it. So first and foremost, you create a repo, you create a new repository. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. You create a repo. So for example, let's say the name is CV, because what I'm going to upload is a new CV I just created for my new portfolio website I created for myself. So let's say I name it CV. So that's the name of my repository. So this is, I'll just put a description. This is not really necessary. Let's see, my portfolio website. Then make sure you make it public. You can't do it when it's private, so you have to make it public for it to work. So just leave it like this, then the rest is minor. So you just do create repository. So once you wait for it to load, so it is loaded already, then you can come to your code here, and you can upload a file from your repository. Sorry, hold on, apologies for that. Then so you can come here to upload the file. So because I already have the file open on my file system, so hold on, just apologies for that, hold on. So I have the file here already, just these two files, and this guy, and this guy. So I just drag them here. I drag this guy here, and I drag the DP guy here already. So once I drag them, they're already here already. So I just commit the change. This you can do it from your command line, but I just wanted to show you guys from the graphics UI side. So you can already see the two files there. This is the picture for my that I'm using in this file, my HTML file. Then from here, what you're going to do next is you go to settings. Once you go to settings here, you go to page here. Once you go to page here, you have to once you go to page, so you make sure you save. So once you save, damn it, bro, this is fucked up. So so you like wait for a while, then once you come in, just I always advise people to refresh after you do any change on GitHub. It's just my thing. Then once you do that, you come here to pages again. Once you go to pages, you will now see this thing. Your site is live here at your GitHub username, github.io or whatever. You can also see this button here to click visit site. So as I visited this site now, you're seeing that I'm getting a 404. The reason why I'm getting a 404 is because of, by default, Git expects you to, the main HTML file, Git expects it to be index.html. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my file again. I'm going to rename this file to I'm going to rename the file to index.html. So just index.html. Then I'm going to commit the change. I'm saying like these things you can do it on your command line if you have it to your ID, but I just want to show you guys the practical example, right? So I've already done it. Like I always say, I used to advise people to refresh. So once you refresh, then you can now go back to settings here. Once you go click settings, then go back to page again. Once you go back to page, then click visit site. It's still showing error 404, but you can like refresh, keep refreshing. Then it's going to, hold on, just give me a minute. Then yes, continue refreshing to get here. So once you keep refreshing, it's going to load. the page for you. So you could just give it like 1 minute or let's say 30 seconds after you're done. And yes, this is my portfolio website that I hosted for you just for this tutorial. And yes, that's for this. More tutorials coming up. And thank you very much, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.